Start creating a rule and select an issue trigger. Add a send web request action. Enter the web request URL that you can find in the documentation. Leave the HTTP method on post. Set the web request body to custom data and copy the request body template from the documentation. First, configure the export part of the rule. At a minimum, define the PDF view you want to use and the JQL query to define what issues to export. Then configure the action part of the rule. Specify the issue you want to attach the PDF document to. Finally, paste the webhook URL you created in the callback rule. Check the delay execution of subsequent rule actions option. Next, set up the required headers. Find the instructions in the documentation and simply follow them. To create an API token, visit the security section of your Atlassian account. If you are unsure, find the link to the documentation in the description. Add a log action and copy the log message from the documentation. Name your rule and turn it on. Your PDF will be attached to the specified issue. Let's give it a try by automatically creating and attaching an incident report on resolving an incident. The issue.key smart value in the JQL means that the issue triggering the action will be exported. In the action part of the rule, specify the target issue you want the PDF to be attached to. In this case, it can be the same issue that triggers the rule, so just copy and paste the smart value. Transition an issue to resolved status, and an incident report is attached automatically. Ready to automate your PDF documents? Install Better PDF automation for Jira Cloud now. Don't forget to install Better PDF Exporter as well.